In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to play the song Silver Bells by Bing Crosby, so stay tuned. Hey everyone, this is Matt from You Can Uke, and every week I'm releasing new song tutorials so you can learn how to play with the ukulele. So don't forget to like this video, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss a lesson, and consider joining me on Patreon where I have a chord chart available for this tutorial. Alright, let's check out the song together. Now to play the song Silver Bells, we first want to make sure that our ukulele is in the standard tuning of G, C, E, A. And if you need help tuning your ukulele, then make sure that you check out my online ukulele tuner video. Next, there's 3 chords that we need to know in order to play this song. And those chords are F major, B flat major, and C major. Let's check out those chords together. So the first chord for the song is F major. To play that, just take your first finger, press down on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, then take your 2nd finger and press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. This is F major. The next chord is B flat major. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, take your 2nd finger, press down on the 1st string of the 1st fret, take your 3rd finger, press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, then take your 4th finger and press down on the 4th string of the 3rd fret. This is B flat major. And the last chord for the song is C major. To play that, just take your 3rd finger and press down on the 1st string of the 3rd fret. This is C major. Now we're going to learn the string pattern for this entire song. It's just going to be down, down, up, tap, up. Let's play through that string pattern now on the F major chord. 1, 2, 3, F major, down strum, go. Down, down, up, tap, up, 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 down, down, up, tap, up. Now we're going to learn the chord progression for this entire song. It's just going to be F major for 6 beats, B flat major for 6 beats, C major for 6 beats, and back to F major for 6 beats. Let's play through that chord progression now by reading out each chord. 1, 2, 3, F major, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, B flat major, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, C major, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, F major, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, F major again. 1, 2, 3, 4, B flat major, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, C major, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, F major, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now let's combine that chord progression with the string pattern. 1, 2, 3, F major, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now that we know the chords, the chord progression, and the string pattern, let's put it all together with the lyrics and play through Silver Bells. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. City sidewalks, busy sidewalks, dressed in holiday style. In the air there's a feeling of Christmas. Children laughing, people passing, reading smile after smile. And on every street corner you'll hear silver bells, silver bells. It's Christmas time in the city. Ring-a-ling, hear them ring. Soon it will be Christmas Day. Now if you want to play through the rest of the song, then check out my ukulele cover for Silver Bells. And that's how you play Silver Bells by Bing Crosby. Thank you so much for checking out this tutorial. I hope it brings you success in learning how to play the ukulele. Also, I want to give a special thanks to my friends at Flight Music for sponsoring this video. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below so you can check out more of the products. And finally, I want to invite you to join the You Can You community on the Vibely app. This is a place where you can engage with other ukulele players, join cool challenges, and win free prizes. So download it today. It's completely free and it's available to all Android and Apple devices. Again, don't forget to subscribe, to join me on Patreon, and check out these next tutorials so you can keep practicing and keep playing, because you can you.